how are you doing? So my name is Akonkeroge, and today I would like to review a particular skincare brand. Yeah, and that's because when I wanted to purchase this brand, I did not get a review on YouTube about it. So I'd like to drop my own review, as this skincare brand is actually popular. This skincare brand is assigned a lot of influencers. So I would also like, or I'd like to, you know, talk about it to people that are about to purchase a product and you want to know if it is safe enough to use this particular skincare brand. A lot of skincare brands are hyped. There's a lot of shouting, but by the time you use the product, you would end up like seeing rubbish. Yeah. But I ended up buying it, and I can say that I've been using this brand for like 3 months now. May, yeah, June, July. It's August now. 3 months now. This skincare brand is Marymic organic skincare brand. Please subscribe on my to my page for more videos and tutorials. Today is no tutorial day. Today is me, Best Skin, talking about skincare brand. Yeah. So, well, how did I stumble upon this skincare brand? December, I was going to travel to the UK, and I'm like, hey, this is my skin. And normally when I travel, I break out massively. And I said, okay, I'm going to change my skincare brand, because I used Bismuth for years. I started with their full package, but I noticed my knuckles were like crazy. My legs were burning up like they were bad. So I had to stop, and I had to ensure that I was using just black soap, and I was still using their cream for about 6 years. But normally I have green veins. Even my younger brother that is dark has his green vein coming out, but the cream now made it more pronounced, and I'm still very young. So it won't make sense for me to maintain a cream that, if you can see the green vein itself, is there, but it's better now. It won't make sense for me to use a cream that will now look like old woman. God forbid bad thing. So December, I found this babe's advertisement on Gossip Milo, and I decided to go through her page. She said she was going to do 50% off sale, and I went to her store at Ikeja, because she newly opened a shop at Ikeja, but our store is based in Asaba. I went there was a lot of crowd, and there was a lot of also, so I just got pissed and left. So I went to the UK that way. So I was just managing myself using black soap, and my face was like bad, but I found a face cream that was okay, that was managing. So eventually she did another sale, because I missed that sale. I now got the product. I sent someone to get it while in the UK, because I was still in the UK, and they cargoed it to me. So by the time they cargoed it to me and I got back to Nigeria, my friends were like, oh wow, your skin is better compared to how it was before. How was my skin before? Number one, I had like serious hyperpigmentation on my face. My face was like really dark. My body too was just there. I had like different tones. My leg was bad. So, and it's better now because my face is brighter. It's just that this lighting is bad. I'll try to put a normal picture of me outside so that you can see exactly what I look like.
Say now your cruise I like.
Yeah. Today I'd like to give review on our brand. So yeah, she's located in Asaba. Our store is at Awolowo 100 Ikeja. Is this a sponsored review? It's not. She doesn't even know about me. She doesn't even care. Well, so what products does she have? She has the brown skin set. So a brown skin set has the glow in the dark toning soap. I got this for my niece. She's just 13, and I feel it's healthy enough for her to use, because obviously I'll be traveling soon. So I got it for my niece, and then she has the brown skin set for people that are like caramel skin, dark people. Then the next set is the yellow tone set. A yellow tone set comes with, I'll try to put the picture so that you see, the set. A yellow tone set comes with the lightening body milk. It's written yellow tone. It comes with scrub. It comes with a lightening scrub. It comes with the miracle yellow tones whitening soap. It comes with the face cream, it comes with toner, it comes with the face soap. Then there's also the triple whitening set. That one I don't even understand that one. But she said that if your skin is very tough, that you should buy the triple whitening set. I'm also going to give review on that. And the lightening set for people that want to brighten up. So I picked yellow tone sets because I feel that yellow tone set one is a treatment set. Number two, the babe, that's what she uses on herself. I'm sure there are also extra things that she won't tell us about, but that's what she uses. She uses the soap and she uses the cream, and I felt like I needed to treat my skin instead of like whitening. I don't even want to whiten anything. I'm fair normally. I just need something that will maintain my skin, treat my skin. I just want a flawless skin. I don't have children. I'm not married yet, so let me just be fresh for Zaddy. So I'd like to give review on each and every one of the products. But before the review, let me just give a general overview of the babe in general. Yes, her page is hyped, like hyped. I won't say over hyped. She's doing well with advertisements. She's signing, endorsing influencers. And I tripped when she gave Cindy, Cindy of Big Brother her cream, and within weeks that babe just went fresh. And that's part of why I decided to buy the yellow tone set, because it works really well on that babe. And she knows how to do advertisement. How is the customer care like? Zero. I'm sorry to say, Marymic, your customer care is zero. We send you message on WhatsApp, it takes you forever to respond, and you're just very brief. You're not acting like you care. You're just all about money with your customers. I think you can do better with that. That's my opinion though. And while trying to even drop message, you said no DM. Even while trying to drop message on your page, if we try to complain about anything, you delete that post immediately. That's not nice at all. Then let's talk about your sales. You're doing sales 50% or 60% off. Do what is convenient for you. You don't have to do 50 or 60% off, because if you do, give me that cream. If you do 50% off or 60% off, and your cream consistency is not the same, this is looking yellow. I got this previously in a previous sale, and this is like very lighter than this. Or I'll buy your soap. Your soap consistency will not be nice in sale. It's not nice. If you want to do sale, do what will profit you. Don't reduce formulas for we your customers. We will still buy. I love sale. I've been buying sale. I've not even bought normal price. But just give us consistency. We want flawless skin. People don't mind paying. You are doing a good job already. So give us consistency. Fine, your product is full, but your formulas are not always consistent. Even your face soap, even packaging. See face toner. I got face toner for somebody that wants to use. Imagine I've recommended your things to so many people. For someone that wants to use newly. See, no labeling. No labeling on your face cream. No labeling on your face soap. Abba, what are we buying now? So please, take your time. You don't have to be doing sales every time because of money. Take your time to package your products well before bringing it out to customer. There's no point rushing. A lot of people are even new. And okay, so what's my review about some of our products? The products that I don't like the face cream. I feel it's a bit harsh. I don't like the face soap. It burns my face. Like immediately I start using it, it starts burning this area. I don't think that's normal. So I prefer to use the Miracle soap straight up. Then how is the scrub? A scrub is like, I've never seen this kind of, I've been using scrub for years. See what the scrub is like. It's so dry. Even if I wet my skin and I apply the scrub straight, it feels like I'm just using sugar and honey on my skin. And she's saying that I don't know if this was a mistake, but I complained about this. But how is the product in general? Our products are good. In conclusion, our products are good. It's not ruining my skin. It's not making my... sometimes you use some cream and be feeling like your knuckles are dark. I wish I could do a better video, but, my knuckles are clearing up. My skin is clearing up in bits. It's not sharp. Do you understand? Giving me sharp effect, because sharp I don't even want sharp. I want flawless skin that will take time, that will know that I'm using original things, organic things. So our products are okay, very, very okay to use. So yes, you're safe to use it. I hope you also, let me talk about the packaging. Packaging some of these products, Marymic, please do better. Like I said, don't rush your sale. Package it properly. Please do quality control. The cargo soap, to me, the soap had already poured. Did it even cover at all? Some of these products are not even covering well because of rush to produce. It's better you do the sale once in 4 months, once in 3 months, so that people can buy proper things. But yes, in general, your products are good, babe. You're doing really well. Your this thing is fantastic. Sometimes I check like twice a week to even see if there's sale. I hoard and buy your products. Even when that's not finished, I buy it. And my skin, I'm loving my skin now. Even my friend had to, recommend. Fine, my face is very sensitive. Leave my face. Because I really, really break out on a normal day. But I appreciate it the way it looks like this. And my skin is like bright. So I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Drop your own comments too. If you have contradictions, drop your own comments here. And please subscribe. Have a lovely week. Bye bye.